Hi guys, great day out here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. My name's Hugh Gabrielson. I'm going to take you on the quick tour of this 2011 Pleasure Way XLTS. It's sitting here on the Ford E350 chassis. Class B van. You're going to be right there at about 21 feet in length. Let's move along here to the side. Right down here is going to be where your house batteries are located. And then back here, you do have a storage space as well. You do have your 110 plug-ins here. Wanting to hang out, plug something in while you're outside, you can do that. Back here, you've got a storage space underneath. Here, do have seat belts located as well. Swing here on the back. Over here you got your potable water inlet, your 6-gallon hot water tank, and a spot for that sewer hose as well, and a little bit more storage there as well. Here you got your septic set up here, and your propane fill cable and fresh water inlet there. Above here you do have that hot water or shower, outdoor shower with the hot and cold water there. Let's take a peek inside and check it out. All right guys, thanks for joining me inside. Let's pivot around, look at the front cab area there. You got your nice leather seats, and these are actually swivel seats as well. Up above us here you got your lights, or not lights, windows, I'm sorry, bringing that natural light and a nice storage compartment there. Over here, you got your microwave and a nice big closet there, and that's where the table and leg will be mounted as well. So swinging in here, right above you over here, you've got your tank, letting you notify on what your tank levels are, your water heater, lighting, and generator on off switch there, which this does not have a generator on, but it's all pre-wired. Here in your kitchen area, a nice little galley, 2-burner stove top, your sink, your fridge that will run off propane or electric here, and great storage up above. This is the table that will mount here in the front or in the back, but I did want to show you this bed here, which it is a sofa, but I did want to have you show down. I'm 6'3", 250-pound guy. I can sleep this way, plenty of space. It's a full queen-size bed here. Notice above you got your AC and lots of storage here all throughout as well. And this sofa is a power sofa, so you're not having to manually do that. Opposing here, I do have a TV set up over here, and that's your power switch for the bed as well. So I'm sure you got a few questions. Call Hugh at 253-286-0833. Look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Bye.